Today we're going to learn about some of the things that will attract flies. Attracting flies. Flies can be pollinators. Just like birds, bats, and butterflies, flies like certain colors and smells in flowers. Some flies visit some flowers for nectar. Nectar is a sugary drink that many animals like. Flies like nectar from flowers that are dull, dark purple, red, or brown. Other flies are attracted to the smell of things rotting, like the Rafflesia. The flies use the plants for food and as a place to lay their eggs. I guess flies aren't too bad after all. Now, I want you to put on your thinking caps and think. How can flies be useful? And what are some of the things you do not like about flies?